Crystals are vital to many cultures and have developed a rich lore that many people still follow today. Recently, crystal culture took root in social media, quickly becoming a global interest among the younger generations.
Especially during the pandemic, certain demographics found comfort in crystal culture and raising home plants.
Despite the long-lasting history and modern traction in social media, not many products exist in this area. And so Terraridise. Hello, we are Terraridise.
All you have to do is take a personality quiz on our website to get sent your unique home crystal terrarium kit. You'll get succulents, moss, dirt, a container, and recharging crystals. Add on crystal mushrooms for some extra jazz. People hear about us on Instagram, in person, and online. This is Reina, a social media savvy Gen Z marketer.
A lot of teenagers visit our Instagram profile to head straight to our website. We've had customers DM us with questions, and inside show, we've had 170 viewers of the profile already in just the first 5 days.
Emily's in charge of Pliny Logistics.
I make sure all our components are genuine and good quality. I've talked to crystal experts like Luigi Alden, founder of Smudge Crystals, who gave us tips which we use to develop our product. Our product is a DIY terrarium kit with personalized crystals and plants.
Calvin's our Silicon Valley boy who codes.
Our quiz algorithm ensures you get the kit perfect for you. When you first fill out the form on the website, the quiz data goes through our algorithm, and later it is outputted to see which stone and crystal types and plants that fit your zodiac sign personality and other unique traits to you. And right after, in a couple of minutes, an email is sent straight to your inbox on how to check out and how exactly your terrarium will look like.
Amar has some numbers for you math people out there.
So these are our final finance projections. Proposed initial pricing, $33. Initial COGS, $28. We plan to drive this margin deeper by increasing our price and decreasing our COGS over time.
And this is Erica. She makes things look good, I guess.
To sum up, Terraridise is perfect for young adults and teenagers who are into crystal culture. We market organically by interacting with our community, and we pay attention to every single aspect of our company for the perfect user experience.
And we all put our hearts and souls into this so our customers have the most fun possible with their Terrarises.
I love the crystal terrarium because it's healing and such a vibe.
We have plenty of room to grow our market as well.
I like crystals because they're beautiful and they uplift everyone's energy and they're very healing.
Add a spark to your room.
Get a perfect gift.
Bolster your mental health.
Get a new hobby.
Find happiness
with Terraridise.